Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tin fish frikadel. First, drain and flake 1 can of pilchards or sardines, removing any bones. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a handful of fresh parsley or cilantro. Finally, soak 2 slices of bread in water, then squeeze out all excess liquid thoroughly. These simple steps lay the foundation for a flavorful meal. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, add the flaked fish, chopped onion, garlic, and herbs. Crumble in the squeezed bread. Crack in 1 egg, then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, along with a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything together really well with your hands until you have a uniform, slightly sticky mixture that holds its shape. With your mixture ready, it's time to shape the frikadel. Take small portions and gently form them into flat, round patties, roughly 1.5 inches in diameter and about 1/4 of an inch thick. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully place the patties into the hot oil and fry them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious tin fish frikadel are now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot, perhaps with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a dollop of your favorite dipping sauce. They make a fantastic snack, a delightful appetizer, or even a light main course alongside a fresh salad. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. These frikadel are truly a simple, satisfying treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.